Most cars don't die suddenly after 100,000 miles. They fade away quietly. One small, ignored job slowly turns into a massive, expensive failure. Mechanics see the same preventable problems every single week. And the worst part? Most drivers had plenty of warning. They just didn't know what they were looking at. Today, I'll show you 11 maintenance jobs that matter most after 100,000 miles. The kind where a $300 fix today prevents a $3,000 repair later, because the final failure on this list can destroy an engine with zero warning. Let's start. Number 11. Brake system. Beyond pads. Let's talk about the one thing that keeps you alive: your brakes. After 100,000 miles, brake fluid matters more than pads. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air over time. After 3 to 5 years, its boiling point can drop 30 to 40%. Hard braking then creates steam bubbles in the lines. Result? Spongy pedal, brake fade, longer stopping distance, exactly when you need brakes the most. That's why flushing old brake fluid makes such a huge difference. Then inspect. Rotors for warping or heat spots, calipers for sticking, brake hoses and lines for rust or cracks, parking brake cables, especially in salty climates. I've personally seen $300 brake jobs turn into $2,000 repairs just because calipers seized and lines rusted. Preventive cost, $200 to $500. Failure cost, $1,500 to $3,000 plus. Don't accept spongy brakes as old car feel. Does your brake pedal feel softer than it used to? Have you ever flushed your brake fluid, or never? If you're driving over 100,000 miles, hit like right now and subscribe, because the next system quietly destroys tires, comfort, and safety. Number 10. Suspension and steering reality check. This is the quiet money drain most drivers miss. Worn suspension doesn't scream, it slowly destroys tires, brakes, alignment. After 100,000 miles, shocks and struts often lose control. The tires start skipping on the road, causing edge wear, cupping, longer stopping distance. Loose suspension knocks alignment out, so tires wear even faster. Check. Shocks and struts for leaks, ball joints, tie rod ends, control arm bushings, sway bar links. Warning signs: loose steering, floating feel, nosedive when braking, uneven tire wear. Worn shocks can increase stopping distance up to 20% and cut tire life in half. Suspension refresh plus alignment, $800 to $1,500. Ignore it long enough, $3,000 plus. How long did your last set of tires last? Ever replace tires twice without fixing suspension? Comment your answer and subscribe, because now we hit a system that costs more than the car is worth when it fails. Number 9. Transmission fluid service. Here's the truth nobody likes hearing. Ignoring transmission fluid after 100,000 miles shortens transmission life dramatically. Transmission fluid lubricates, cools, controls friction, carries debris. Over time, heat breaks down additives. Fluid thins, clutches slip, heat increases. That debris blocks valve body passages, accelerating wear 3 to 5 times faster. Automatic transmissions drain and fill plus filter. Avoid aggressive flushes unless manufacturer approved. Manual transmissions gear oil change, clutch inspection. Early warning signs: slipping, delayed engagement, shuddering, rough shifts. Fluid service, $200 to $400. Rebuild, $4,000 to $7,000. Most failed transmissions I see never had fluid changed, not once. Does your car hesitate before shifting? Have you ever changed transmission fluid? Type shift in the comments if yours feels off. Like and subscribe, because overheating is next, and it destroys engines silently. Number 8. Cooling system refresh. Overheating after 100,000 miles never comes out of nowhere. It's usually the result of old coolant. Coolant removes heat, prevents corrosion. When additives wear out, rust forms, radiators clog, water pumps overwork. Inspect radiator and heater hoses, thermostat, pressure cap, radiator condition, water pump, especially timing belt driven. About 95% of radiator failures come from old or contaminated coolant.
Coolant refresh, $300 to $800. Overheated engine, $5,000 to $10,000. When was the last time you changed coolant? Ever seen the temperature gauge spike? If you don't remember, that's your warning.
Subscribe, because now we move inside the engine. Number 7. Ignition and emissions. Worn spark plugs, failing coils, clogged PCV, carbon buildup in DI engines. Misfires can reduce fuel economy 10 to 30% and destroy catalytic converters. Number 6. Exhaust system, rust, leaks, broken hangers, collapsing catalytic converters. Small fix, $300 to $800. Cat replacement, $1,500 to $3,500. Number 5. Electrical grounds and charging. High-mileage electrical problems are often low voltage, weak batteries, corroded grounds, weak alternators. Battery plus cables, $150 to $400. Chasing modules, $1,000 plus. Number 4. Air and fuel delivery. Dirty throttle body, clogged injectors, restricted air filters. Power loss, 5 to 15%. Cleaning service, $100 to $300. Number 3. Engine seals and gaskets. Leaks from valve covers, oil pans, main seals. Oil ruins belts, wiring, sensors, even causes fires. Fix early, $300 to $900. Ignore it, $4,000 plus. Number 2. Timing belt reality check. This is make or break. If your engine has a timing belt, it must be replaced on schedule. If it snaps, valves bend, pistons hit, engine destroyed. Timing belt service, $800 to $1,500. Failure, $5,000 to $8,000. Every snapped belt comes with the same excuse: I was going to do it later. Later is always too late. Number 1. Engine oil strategy. After 100,000 miles, oil choice matters more than interval. Wrong viscosity, too thin, leaks and wear. Too thick, cold start damage. Choose oil based on engine condition, climate, and driving style. Same engine, same mileage, different oil choice, completely different wear pattern. Cars don't wear out. They're either maintained or abandoned. If even one tip saved you money, like the video, comment your car and mileage, subscribe. Next video, proven habits to make your car last over 500K without repairs.